Hello and welcome back once again. Today we are going to continue with the set problems, and I have a beautiful question on two set problems, and this is a past question for those of us who are preparing for the WASSCE or even GCSE and then GRE examination or any other examination that involve what? The set problems. So there's a question here, let's dive into it and then we are good to go. It says that in a class of 50 students, 30 offers economics, 17 offers government, and 7 offers neither economics nor government. How many students offers both subjects? In the previous video when we dealt with the 3 set problem, I made mention that when you see the statement that at least in the sentence, at least this number of students studies, so it means that region 8 is not there, or there's no one in that class who doesn't study any of the subjects. Here, they say that neither nor, which means these 7 people do not study any of the subjects, right? Which means there are some people in the class who do not study any of these subjects. Maybe they are studying rather history or geography or any of them. So let's get in and deal with the question. So this is my solution. I will first have to define my terms. Now let E equal to set of students who offer economics. The meaning of the curly bracket is set of, so you don't have to write set of inside here. Okay? Then G, set of students who offers government. Alright. Therefore we have N, that's number of students who offers economics. So you have seen the definition here. It's equal to 30. The number of students who offers government is 17. Then number of students who are in the class is 50. So we can represent by the U, which the universal said, is equal to 50. And those who do not study any of the two is this. So we can write it as number of those who do not study. So we have E intersection. What's the next one? So what I did here. So this is G, which is equal to 17. Sorry for that. I was looking for the G to write, I wasn't getting it. So this is equal to 7. So you have a complement here, meaning that this is the complement. Those who are not inside here is the 7. Now we can draw a Venn diagram. Though they have not asked us to draw a Venn diagram, but draw a Venn diagram to help you easily, represent it, and then you can calculate for it. So we get a Venn diagram drawn. Number of students who offers economics is 30, and the number of students who offers government is 17. Those who study both is what they are asking us to find. We don't know it, so we can let it be X. And so therefore, those who study only economics is those when I remove the X from it. So I have 30 minus X, that means I subtract X from the 30, it's only those who study there. Remember, the whole of the circle is those who study economics. So when I remove the X away, it means those who study only economics but not what? Government. And then here I have 17 minus X. Now remember, there are some people here who do not fall inside this circle nor this one. And that is the 7 here. Now that I have gotten this, we are saying that everything inside here should be equal to 50. Therefore, I can sum it and equal to 50. When I sum everything inside this rectangular box or the Venn diagram to give me 50. So I start with this 30 minus x plus 17 minus x plus the 7. And this will give me 50. This x goes with that because this negative and positive goes away. Then 30 plus 17 is going to give you me 47, right? 47 plus 7 is going to give me 54 minus x, and this is equal to 50. I can group like terms, so this is negative x, I can send it across. So I have this 50 will be minus 50, is equal to this negative x, coming here will be positive x. Then 54 minus 50 is 4 equal to x. So therefore, my x is 4, which represents what? Those who offers both subjects. The number of students who offers both subjects is 4. Now, this conclusion I just showed is very important because in the mathematics of commerce, every step takes some marks. So once you have done it clearly like this, you will not lose marks from it. You will get your full marks from it. So if this is your first time hitting my channel, don't forget to give me a like and share to bless another friend. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. So when I release any other new video, you will not be left out. Right? I have a book on list on Amazon which is Mastering Your Mathematics, and there's another one, The Genius Within. I will put the links in the description. You can buy them on Amazon so that you will read and widen your mathematical potentials and to extract the potential within you. Thank you. Have a nice time.